There's two primary things that we need in this world to live. We need air and we need water. The advice that we try to inspire here in Lake George is really related to issues with the lake with chloride contamination. So we begin with really sort of the social aspect of sustainability, or why did they want more road salt use? What's driving the expectations on roadways and in parking lot settings? And that's really where all this salt is coming from. This is one of those issues that can be solved as long as people want to solve it, as long as people want to think a little bit outside of the box. So if we can get people to start behaving differently, even at the doorway, then we can expand that into other parts of the parking lot and the community setting. Yeah, so Sustainable Winter Management, our swim program, really was meant to package all of the policies and standards that are required to meet salt reduction by 50%. Entry certainly plays a key role, particularly from the entrance out. And then when you start to think about things like the damages and the corrosion and those kinds of issues that typical salts create, that again is where a product like Entry plays a critical role in enabling best practice.